this thing. Take it back.
Take it back?
Put it there first, then we'll go to bathroom. Yeah, so that I brush. Everybody will brush.
Brush, I buy tomato.
Yeah, to go and buy tomatoes.
Mommy.
Put it there now.
My brush is full. No, it's my straw.
Hey guys, good morning. Welcome back again to our YouTube channel. If you are new here, my name is Stella. Consider to subscribe and hit the bell icon. In case of any time we upload, you'll be the first to notify. Thank you and God bless you. So far, we just wake up and I want to go and brush these children. I want to go and brush them and brush myself. We are still on the bed. And I will be right back after I do all that. So, do not go away. It is scratch me. I don't know that because in a wool. I don't know.
It's me. I need to me front as a Zara.
Yeah, they scratch me. So guys, we are all dressed. So I want to go to the supermarket to buy some things like tomatoes and bell pepper. Like, I want to make jollof rice anyway. I don't have tomatoes at home. I want to go and get them so that I will make jollof rice today. And today is 17. We are almost to the time they ask us to leave this place. So I don't buy this at home again. Whenever I want to cook, I will just go and buy whatever I want to cook and cook. So that is what I am doing now. I'm going to be cooking jollof rice that will serve us throughout this weekend. Then today is Thursday. Then probably next week I will make small stew. So guys, let's go. I said I want to take you guys along for everything that we'll be doing today. Let me show you the keys. What is it? You want to carry bag? How can you carry it?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, say hi.
Hi.
Selena,
Mommy.
say hi.
Mommy. Mommy. You have my car.
Okay. So we want to go now. Diamo, let's go.
Ajamo. No. I'm not scared. You want the motorcycle?
Oh yeah, come out. Let me help you. Oh yeah, go. Don't get me for you.
Bye, Canada. Bye, Canada.
Oh yeah, Diamo, vieni, mamma.
Planning and scheming just for power. Many are destroyed by desire. No joy, no peace, fighting for the throne. Ocheze, onyega no do no cheze, onyega bonyo chichi. Here we do one. n'ocheze, onye ga-anọdụ n'ocheze, onye ga-abụ onye ọchịchị, ihe nrite ụwa na-ebute ọnwụnwa ike. Ocheeze, onye ga-anọdụ n'ocheze, onye ga-abụ onye ọchịchị, ihe nrite ụwa na-ebute ọnwụnwa ike.
Fam, I want to cook my jollof rice now. So this is my protein. I have chicken and turkey here. So I want to take it to the stove now. So it's already greased for some minutes now. So let me take it to the gas. So it's already on the gas now. I will leave it to boil for 5 minutes before I will add water. So I prepared this food this morning around 5 o'clock so that Obi can use it to go to work. So we'll be eating the rest later. What is that? Guys, let me show you what I bought. So I bought these onions. Okay. I have red onions, but I need white onions. What is the problem there? I bought this tomato paste, 2 tomatoes paste. Then I got 2 bottle tomatoes. I bought fresh red bell pepper. What is it? What? Oh yeah, go and bring your feed bottle. Let me make food for you. I bought banana because of the kids. Me, I don't eat banana much like that. I bought banana. So this is all I got. This is all I got. Let me show you guys. So this is everything that I got. Now let's start cooking. Fam, this is my tomatoes. So I want to first of all cook it before I will fry it in a bigger pot to make the jollof rice. So let me cover it. Okay, I have started drying the protein. So I first of all put the turkey before I will put the chicken. So let's wait for it to dry. Okay, fam, this is the rice I cook. So I want to show you guys. This is the rice. It's Italian rice. Look at the texture. Okay, I just put the rice now. This is my jollof rice. So let's wait. Look at my turkey and my chicken is ready. So this is it. They are ready. Now I want to clean this place. I take off these tomatoes. I will be adding it to the rice later. So I want to clean everywhere and go to supermarket to buy butter. I forget to buy butter. I don't have at home anymore. The rice is ready. It's just the butter and onions that is remaining. So I want to rush down to the supermarket. When I return back, I will show you guys the rice. Let me go fast. I want to drink water. Alright, my jollof rice is ready. So come and join me. I want to go and eat now. Come and join me to eat. Ooh. The food is ready. Come and join me to eat. I want to serve my own. Now the children have already eaten. Let me serve it. So guys, this is my food. I want to eat now. Come and join me, guys. Go and bring your own. So this one is turkey. I've already eaten from it, and this one is chicken. So guys, I'm using my hand to eat. Okay, I sit on the floor. So this is how I will enjoy it. Come and join me. So if you guys enjoy my food, thank you all for watching. God bless you guys. Do me well to subscribe and share my video. I will see you all in my next one. God bless you. Bye for now. Bye.